Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video explains how to buy USDT on Telegram using P2P. So now once you click on your Telegram mobile app, you now proceed, you click at that point, you now click on wallet. This is a new feature on Telegram and we'll be using this method to purchase USDT right away. So now once you click on your wallet, as you can see, I have a balance of 0.00 naira. So now I will now proceed to P2P market. So once I click on P2P market, the next step is for you to proceed and you now click on buy. Now there's a notification up there that from now on buyer must upload a receipt as proof of payment. Receipt will be shared with the seller. So now let's proceed. We will now proceed and click on buy. So now the first option at that point is, you see the option which is method, but if you wish to choose Kuda Bank, I'll be using Kuda Bank. You now select OK. Then the verification, I will leave it as that. The currency, I will also leave it at that. You now scroll down to see people that want to sell at your range. So this guy is selling as 1,200 per dollar and the limit is 1,600. So I'll be going with the guy, and so far he has up to 31 trades so far. So now I'll be going with him. So I'll now click on buy. Now once you click on buy, you now proceed and you now click on 2,000 naira. Once I'll proceed and click on 2,000 naira, then the payment method is Kuda Bank. I'll now click on buy. So now it says verify using national ID cards to protect your account from unauthorized access. So this account, you will need to verify your account right now before you'll be able to proceed to purchase using Telegram. So now let's go with the verification method. So now at this point, I've succeeded in verifying both my identity and the likeness check. So I'll now proceed. I'll click on done. Since everything has been fully verified, we now proceed and continue the process of using P2P right now. So let's go to marketplace. Let's go to buy. Method we are using so this is the mean that my account has been fully verified. So now the method we are using Kuda, and then the currency is Nigeria. So now let's look for this person. Let's purchase 2,000 naira from this person. So let's go with 2,000 naira. Then you click on buy. So now 2,000 naira will get you 1.666 USDT. So now this is what we want to do right now. You now click on create order. Then they say you are about to place an order. Placing order without completing them may impact your rating and ability to use P2P market. So you now confirm order. So now here is so right now here is the payment details of that person. So now let's proceed and make payments to him right now. So now you now click on confirm and send. Then send. Alright, now we've already made payment and we've already sent our payment proof. So let us wait now to receive our USD. So now if you want to send message to the person, you send a message here as the case may be. So now you can send a message to him. I already paid you. So let's check our wallet right now to see if the money is there. So now we are still waiting for the USDT from him. So let's wait. So now I just got a notification that he already confirmed the payment, and within 2 minutes he will release the USDT to my wallet. So now I've already received the USDT right now. So you just received 1.66 USDT. So now let's go back to my wallet and see right now. This is my wallet and this is the money. So this is the easiest way in which you could purchase any, be it USDT, Bitcoin as the case may be, using your Telegram. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share if this video is really helpful to you. Thank you.